In this video, I'm showing you how to make your own sounds on TikTok. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and hit that subscribe button. And once you have subscribed, please go down below and leave a like as well. I really do appreciate it. So within this guide, I'm showing you the 4 steps of being able to add your own sort of sounds and music to TikTok and be able to create videos with them, and others can use them as well. So without any further ado, let's go and get straight into this tutorial. So as you can see, I'm on my phone. This is going to work if you're on an iPhone or an Android, so do not worry. So let's go and get straight into this. So of course, the first thing you want to do is go and open up TikTok. So here we go, here is my account. Now currently I've got a few videos. So the first thing you need to do is go and get the background music you would like or the background sound. To do that, you simply need to make sure you've got it as an MP4 file. So that may be like a screen recording of some music, or that may just be a video with some music in the background. The key thing is it needs to be a clip with some background music. So once you've got that, I've got it in my photo roll. Then all you want to do is go and open up TikTok. Then once you're in TikTok, you want to go and click on the plus button just down here. And then you want to go and click on the upload button. Then it's going to go and list all of your photos. And you want to go and select the clip which has the music you'd like. So I've got mine here. And if I'll play it to you guys. So as you just heard, there is the background music. So I'm going to go and select that. And then I'm going to go and get out of this and go and click next. So now I can go and upload this to TikTok. I'm going to click next again, and then next again, and I'm going to put this as background, like so, and click done, and go and click post. So now it's uploading. As you can see, it shouldn't take too long, hopefully, and I can now come back to my profile. So it's now at 100% almost, there we go, uploaded, and you can share it to some social medias. Then wait a few seconds, and then you want to go and click on the TikTok you uploaded with the background music you'd like. Then click on it. And then you can go and click in the bottom right, we've got that icon picture, click there. And then here we go. It's now going to take you to the original sound, and you can go and click on use this sound. And then you can go and record something with that background song or background music, guys. It's honestly that easy. So you can go and record, and then that background music is going to be used. So that's literally it. And you can go and use it and do whatever you'd like with it. So if you have found this video useful, please go down below and hit that subscribe button. Leave a like for more. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.